Hey guys, this is my recipe and I'm going to do a smoothie of banana and oat. Okay, the materials to do this recipe are a knife to split the banana, a cup to measure milk, a spoon to measure in oats, a blender to mix the smoothie, and a glass to put the smoothie. Okay, the first step is split the banana. Take 2 tablespoons and put the oats in the glass of the well. In the third step, we're going to put the milk in the cup to measure the milk.
I'm not here nor anywhere. I wanna be with you. You're unaware. I'm a paperweight. I fantasize a secret life and place where we hide. It feels right.
Their ingredients are 6 lemon, 1 ounce of gelatin without flavor, half a cup of condensed milk, 100 grams of cream to milk farmhouse, a pulp aducal cookies, and milk condensed to the taste. We must do is to grate a lemon and exploit 6 to prepare the gelatin without flavor of agreement to the instructions. Like a fly, the cream of milk.
Wanna be anywhere else than anywhere else but here. I don't wanna
Next, the condensed milk.
than anywhere else but here. 'Cause I've got
Next, the gelatin without flavor.
a bed. I've got
And the use of 6 lemon.
go with the dead. This side of paradise.
On the container and crush team.
Side of paradise.
Then with a lot of care we put the mixture on the cookies and the carrot.
Spent 24 hours, I need more hours with you.
Then it is left in the ice box from 3 or 5 hours.
Spent the late nights making things right between us.
Utensils we need are 1 blender, 1 spoon and 1 pen. The ingredients are 2 cups flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, medium teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 cups of milk, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon generous of medium butter. The process is: first the butter melts. Then, in the blender, we place the eggs and beat them.
On the left,
The milk is added. And again, we beat.
trying to get way up. Ooh,
The butter is added.
trying to make things right.
And this is the result of the mass. Thank you.
I would let me go. Yeah, this girl's like you're wrong.
Okay, the ingredients are puff pastry dough, guava sweet, cheese, sugar, and an egg. The materials are a brush, a knife, a spoon, a spatula, and a blade, and the oven. The first step is preheat the oven to 35 degrees Fahrenheit and put it in the option of bake. Okay, the first step is put the puff pastry dough in the plate. And then we are going to ubicate the guava sweet and the cheese. We have already cut the guava sweet in little bites and the cheese in a long strip.
Shit for the last time, yeah.
We are going to take a little bit of egg and we are going to put it right here. And now we are going to close the puff pastry dough.
Like, you don't want a girl like me, I'm too crazy. Where every other
With the knife we are going to cut right here little strips.
you need someone to spice it up. So who you
And now we are going to use the egg to
always forbidden? I'm coming to you now doing 20 over the limit. The red light, stop. I don't play
And now with a little spoon we are going to put
thinking more white horses and carry. I need you right here, cause every time you fall.
the next step is take the eyelash and put it in the tray. Now we are going to take the tray and put it in the room for
Girls like you, love falling, yeah. Me do what I want when I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah.
And now we are going to take the tray out of the oven. And this is the result. With the tray out of the oven, we are going to use the spatula to take the eyelash out of the tray and put it in the plate. And now we can enjoy it.